For nearly a decade, the bridge camera market has felt almost frozen in time. While manufacturers rushed to develop new mirrorless systems and interchangeable lens cameras, the once popular all-in-one super zoom category was quietly left behind with very few meaningful updates. Yet according to growing industry speculation, Sony may finally be preparing to breathe new life into one of its most respected camera lineups with the arrival of the long-awaited RX10 Mark V. The anticipation surrounding this camera is understandable because the RX10 Mark IV, released all the way back in 2017, remains one of the most highly regarded bridge cameras ever created. Even after 9 years, photographers continue recommending it for wildlife photography, birding, aviation, travel, and sports thanks to its unique combination of versatility, image quality, and convenience. That reputation has created enormous expectations for its successor, but current rumors suggest Sony is not interested in reinventing the formula that made the RX10 series successful in the first place. Instead, the company appears to be focusing on refining and modernizing the features that have aged, while preserving the elements photographers already love. The most important of those elements is undoubtedly the famous Zeiss 24-600 lens. Even in 2026, very few cameras can offer such an extraordinary focal range while maintaining impressive optical quality throughout the zoom range. From wide-angle landscapes to distant wildlife subjects, the lens allows photographers to capture almost any scene without ever changing lenses or carrying additional equipment. For travelers and outdoor photographers, that convenience remains incredibly valuable. Many users actually hope Sony keeps this lens unchanged because redesigning such a complex optical system could increase the size, weight, and price of the camera without delivering significant real-world benefits. Sometimes improving the experience around a great lens is more valuable than replacing it altogether. One area where users are expecting substantial improvements is autofocus performance. Although the RX10 Mark IV featured one of the fastest autofocus systems of its era, Sony's technology has advanced dramatically over the past several years. Rumors suggest the RX10 Mark V will adopt Sony's latest AI-assisted autofocus system with advanced real-time subject recognition and tracking capabilities. This could include eye autofocus for humans, animals, and birds, along with improved subject prediction during fast movement. For bird photographers trying to track unpredictable flight patterns or sports photographers following rapidly moving subjects, these upgrades could transform the shooting experience and significantly improve keeper rates. Supporting those autofocus improvements is the possibility of Sony introducing the latest BIONZ XR processor alongside a dedicated AI processing unit. While these upgrades may not appear exciting in marketing headlines, they often provide the biggest improvements in everyday use. Faster startup times, quicker menu responsiveness, better image processing, improved color reproduction, enhanced noise reduction, and smoother overall operation are exactly the kinds of refinements that photographers appreciate after months or years of ownership. Rather than chasing specifications for the sake of advertising, Sony appears to be focusing on making the camera feel faster and smarter in practical situations. Sensor rumors, however, may divide opinion among enthusiasts. Current reports suggest Sony could continue using the familiar 20.1 megapixel 1-inch stacked Exmor RS sensor or introduce only minor refinements to the existing design. Some users hopping for a larger sensor or significantly higher resolution may find this disappointing, but the existing sensor has already demonstrated excellent performance. It delivers fast readout speeds, impressive burst shooting capabilities, and image quality that comfortably exceeds most competitors in the bridge camera category. Sony may believe that improving processing power and autofocus intelligence offers greater benefits than simply increasing megapixel numbers. Video creators also have reasons to be excited. The RX10 Mark IV's 4K 30 FPS recording capabilities now feel outdated compared to modern cameras. Rumors point toward 4K 60 FPS recording becoming standard on the RX10 Mark V, while some reports even suggest the possibility of 4K 120 FPS in certain recording modes. Such upgrades would make the camera significantly more attractive for content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers looking for slow-motion capabilities without investing in multiple lenses and a larger camera system. Other expected improvements include the long-overdue transition to USB-C connectivity, offering faster file transfers, simpler charging options, and compatibility with modern accessories and power solutions. Meanwhile, speculation surrounding global shutter technology continues to circulate online, although reliable sources suggest this remains unlikely due to cost and engineering limitations. If the current rumors prove accurate, the RX10 Mark V may not be a revolutionary redesign, but it could become exactly what photographers have been waiting for: a thoughtfully modernized version of one of the greatest all-in-one cameras ever made.